we've made it here at the Great Wolf Lodge, and I think the kids are really enjoying this. So cute. I love the decor here. Look at that.
Yes, we have it outside, little man.
Hold on, Bogey. And we have our own little table. Yes, we've thrown our stuff down everywhere now. We just got here. There's a little switch here for the light right here. There's a balcony, a private balcony it looks like. It's so exciting. Not great of a view, but
Mommy, it has doors.
I love the balcony.
It has doors to other rooms.
Here's our own little air conditioner.
Is there any fireplace?
This sofa turns into a bed.
It's mine.
Here's a cute little box. Love it. And there's our little queen size bed. Love it. And they got little outlets. Alarm clock. It's dusty, but it's okay. I don't care. A phone. That is the cutest. On the light fixtures. On off switch right here. It's wood. We got a little dresser here. We got our own little safe up here. Look at that.
Mommy, look.
I'm short, so I guess someone tall has to be like literally able to use that.
Mommy, go look in there where he put his tablet. I can put my tablet.
Don't do that.
I can put my tablet right there and watch a movie. Like this. And Mommy, look what.
Is there little animals up there with you?
Yes, there's a mouse.
Mommy, turn
Look at
around
the
and look at
mouse.
the
It's so cute. Oh, I love
brought
the
this.
light. Oh, you can't really see it that well. Oh, it looks just like a normal light from here. But there it goes. That is so cool.
Mommy,
Turn it back on.
Mommy, I brought this for a stuffed animal. Mommy, look at this one. And we got
There's a
our own
raccoon.
TV.
Hold on, I'm going.
I want to see the mouse.
They got their own little TV in here.
I want to see the mouse. All right. I want to see the mouse. That's exactly what I was thinking. There's slides.
Let him up there so he can see the mouse. Caitlin, help him. Get their own little window. That's a little dangerous for boys up there, but it's okay. Go ahead and let him up there so he can see the mouse.
Oh, he wants to get up there.
You don't need my help to get up.
I want the mouse right there.
All right, John, come here.
I want to see it light up. All right. Prime
He's good. He's up there. You'll be able to get back down though.
Grayson, what do you think about the mouse?
I want to see it light. Hey, Mommy, look what I'm sleeping. Mommy, I can watch my...
So I'm guessing Grayson has claimed this bed.
We're supposed to get a wolf pass.
John is sleeping down here.
I'm sleeping
And
up here.
Jacob, the oldest boy, is sleeping up there. So I have ages 11,
And I cannot sleep with
9,
and 5.
and 5.
Mommy, I can watch Frozen.
Careful, don't do that, baby.
I am not sleeping with you.
Little refrigerator. Love it. Ask Caitlin to do it, baby. Little ice bucket. Hi! Caitlin, Grace is talking. Isn't that cute? Love it. Oh, that's so cool. Sorry. Lots of towels. We need a couple more washcloths though. There's only 4 washcloths there. Eek. Okay. All right, I like the wood. Looks so authentic. Look at that. That's awesome. Own little personal hair dryer. And my daughter is staring at me. They got a facial bar, shampoo, conditioner, body lotion. We're gonna love this. I'll see y'all later, guys.